You should have two pieces of paper to do this comma rules sort. The first one says this is the page you will cut up and label. So this is the page you're going to do all your work on. And then you should have a yellow piece of paper. This is what you're going to turn in as your work. Please remember to only put a dot of glue in each spot so that they don't stick together, little pieces. Okay, so it says identify the rule, and that's our proof. So you're going to write a comma above write a set of parentheses around the comma to tell what the reason is. And if there are two commas in there, then you need two proofs. You will not have three for every single rule. So if you look at here, it says list example 1, 2, 3. So some of them do not have three rules. For any rule that does not have three examples, you need to write, or you can find in your independent novel a sentence that follows that rule. So let's say that you're missing one sentence here that doesn't have a coordinate adjective, then you need to either write or find one to fill it in. So this is a task that's going to hopefully help you study a little bit for the comma rules quiz that you have tomorrow. If you have any questions, please make sure you email me, and then make sure tomorrow after you take your comma rules quiz that you fill out the form that's on my website right here, today's survey. Make sure you get that done. This is the quiz. You can click on it though, and it's not going to open for you because it's a quiz. Have a great day, and let me know if you need anything.